Hello friends, welcome back to channel. Today is 28th of September 2020 and in this video we are going to see all the important current affairs from 28th of September 2020. Before starting today's video, we will quickly revise the questions asked in our last video. Our first question was, which city has topped in Smart City Index 2020? Answer is Singapore. In which of the following states recently Narendra Modi has inaugurated Kosi Rail Mahasetu? Answer is Bihar. Recently, the establishment of a new All India Institute of Medical Sciences, that is AIIMS, at Durbanga has been approved by Government of India. Durbanga is located in which state? Answer is Bihar. Which ministry has launched the Purodaya initiative? Answer is Ministry of Steel. Which state government has recently launched bike ambulance service in the state? Answer is Rajasthan. Muhammad Ahsan Ali Khan, American, is associated with which sports? Answer is cricket. He has become the first American player to become the part of IPL. Seventh question was, who is the author of the book Azadi, Freedom, Fascism, Fiction? Answer is Arundhati Roy. Which bank has launched the scheme called Apna Ghar Dreams? Answer is ICICI Bank. World biggest chocolate museum has been opened in which of the following countries recently? Answer is Switzerland. Which state has ranked first in All India Happiness Report 2020? Answer is Mizoram. These were the questions asked in our last video. Now we will start today's video. Our first question is, what will be India's GDP growth rate in the current fiscal year as predicted by UNCTAD? Answer is option number 2, minus 5.9%. Recently, UNCTAD has published a report called Trade and Development in 2020, and in this report, India's GDP forecast has been made as minus 5.9%. Answer will be option number 2. What is UNCTAD? Long form is United Nations Conference on Trade and Development. It is the part of United Nations Secretariats dealing with trade, investment and development issues, and the goal of UNCTAD is to maximize the trade, investment and development opportunities for developing countries and assist them in their efforts to integrate into the world economy on an equitable basis. Answer will be option number 2. Next, recently Arshpreet Singh Bhullar has been banned for 4 years for failing in doping test by NADA. He is associated with which sports? Answer is option number 3, basketball. Look at the image. This is Indian basketball player Arshpreet Singh Bhullar, and recently he has been banned for 4 years for failing in doping test by NADA. Answer will be option number 3. NADA, long form is the National Anti-Doping Agency. It is the national organization for promoting, coordinating and monitoring the doping control program in sports in all its forms in India. It was formed on 24th of November 2005. Headquarters is in New Delhi and chairman is Minister of Sports, currently Kiran Rijiju. Next, who has been awarded with Jnanpith Award 2019 recently? Answer is option number 4, Akkitam Achyutam Namboothiri. Look at the image. This is Akkitam Achyutam Namboothiri. He is a Malayalam language poet, and recently he has been awarded with Jnanpith Award 2019. Answer will be option number 4. What is Jnanpith Award or Jnanpith Award? It is an Indian literary award presented annually by the Bharatiya Jnanpith to an author for outstanding contribution towards literature. It is given to Indian writers writing in Indian languages included in the 8th schedule to the Constitution of India and English. It was first awarded to G. Sankalpa Kurup. Next, as per the recent report of International Labour Organization, how many people have lost their jobs due to the ongoing coronavirus pandemic? Answer is option number 3, 50 crore. Recently, ILO, that is International Labour Organization, has published a report, and according to this report, nearly 50 crore people have lost their jobs due to ongoing coronavirus pandemic. Answer will be option number 3, International Labour Organization. It is also called ILO. It was formed on 11th of April 1919. Its headquarters is in Geneva, which is in Switzerland, and currently head of ILO is Guy Ryder. Next, former cricket player, coach and commentator Dean Jones has died at the age of 59 recently. He was associated with which nation? Answer is option number 1, Australia. Look at the image. This was former cricketer of Australia and commentator Dean Jones, and recently he has died at the age of 59 in Mumbai. Answer will be option number 1, Australia. Australia, look at the map. This is Australia. Capital is Canberra. Prime Minister is Scott Morrison, and currency of Australia is Australian dollar. Next question. Which of the following day has been recently celebrated as World Maritime Day? Answer is option number 3, 24th September. Recently, 24th September has been celebrated as International Maritime Day. Actually, this day is celebrated annually during the last week of September, and in 2020, it is celebrated on 24th of September. It is celebrated to understand the importance of marine environment, the impact of industries on the oceans and marine life, and theme for 2020's World Maritime Day was Sustainable Shipping for a Sustainable Planet. Answer will be option number 3. Next, which of the following day is celebrated as World Pharmacist Day? Answer is option number 4, 25th September. Recently, 25th September has been celebrated as World Pharmacist Day. This day is celebrated annually on 25th September to show the pharmacist contribution to the world, where everyone benefits from access to safe, effective, quality and affordable medicines and health technologies, as well as from pharmaceutical care services. Answer will be option number 4. And theme for 2020's World Pharmacist Day was Transforming Global Health. Next, S.P. Balakrishnan has recently died at the age of 72. He was a dash. Answer is option number 4, singer. Look at the image. This was S.P. Balakrishnan. He was an Indian musician and a playback singer, and recently he has died at the age of 72. He has worked in Telugu, Tamil, Kannada, Hindi and Malayalam films. He has sung over 40,000 songs in nearly 16 Indian languages. Answer will be option number 4. He was also awarded with Padma Shri in 2001 and Padma Bhushan in 2011. Next, which state government has recently launched Moksha Kalash Yojana 2020? Answer is option number 1, Rajasthan. Recently, Rajasthan state government has launched this new scheme called Moksha Kalash Yojana 2020. It is the Rajasthan State Road Transport Corporation scheme, and it aims to allow free bus travel to two members of the family of the deceased to immerse ashes of their loved one in the Ganga in Haridwar. Answer will be option number 1, Rajasthan. Rajasthan, look at them. This is Rajasthan. Capital is Jaipur. Governor is Kalraj Mishra. Chief Minister is Ashok Gehlot. Its legislature has 200 seats. 25 members are elected to Lok Sabha from Rajasthan and 10 members are elected to Rajya Sabha from Rajasthan. It borders with Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh and Gujarat. It is the largest state by area in India and 5th largest by population in India. The Panchayat Raj was first adopted in Nagaur district. Nagaur district is also in Rajasthan. Next, name the person who has become the only Indian actor to be selected in Times 2020 World's Most Powerful Persons. Answer is option number 2, Ayushmann Khurrana. This is Ayushmann Khurrana. He is a Bollywood actor, and recently Times magazine has published a list of 100 most influential people of 2020, and he has become the only actor to be included in this list. Answer will be option number 2. Which of the following day is celebrated as World Tourism Day annually? Answer is option number 27th September. Every year, 27th September is celebrated as World Tourism Day. It is celebrated to raise awareness on the role played by the tourism sector in integrating the international community. And theme for 2020's World Tourism Day was Year of Tourism and Rural Development. Next, which of the following day is celebrated as International Day for the Total Elimination of Nuclear Weapons annually? Answer is option number 3, 28th September. Every year, 28th September is celebrated as International Day for Total Elimination of Nuclear Weapons. It is celebrated to educate the public and their leaders about the real benefits of eliminating such weapons and the social and economic cost of perpetuating them. Now, answer of the question which was asked in last video. Question was, which of the following day is celebrated as Hindi Divas annually? Answer is option number 4, 14th September. Every year, 14th September is celebrated as Hindi Divas. Now, today's question is, who is the author of the book titled Our Only Home, A Climate Appeal to the World? Options are Dalai Lama, Viral Acharya, Ruskin Bond and Venkaiah Naidu. If you know answer of this question, you can write it in the comment section below, or we will discuss the question in the next video.